Hi, so in this video I am going to explain you about the concept of API. Okay, so if you are a QA engineer or SDET, right? If you are a junior or senior engineer, you need to be very clear about the API concepts. Okay, what are the different concepts in API that people are gonna ask you in interviews? Okay, so you have to have a clear knowledge about all those things. In this video I am going to cover a few important topics that is going to help you. So if you are new to my channel, I create content around QA engineering, SDET, and if you find my videos valuable, subscribe my YouTube channel and watch this video till the end. Okay, so many people don't subscribe and watch the videos till the end because the valuable information is not received at your end if you don't watch the video till the end. So please watch the video. So let's start the video now. So API. So this is a kind of terminology which many of you should come across, and it is very confusing topic. Okay, so the full form of API is application programming language. Application programming language. Application programming interface. Okay, application programming interface, and this API is used to communicate between applications. Okay, so this is application X, this is application Y. Okay, for example, you daily basis use Facebook and Instagram, right? So Facebook is an application and here it's like Instagram. Okay, these are two are the applications. Okay, so API is used to communicate between these two applications. Okay, API is used to communicate between these two applications. Now let's talk about some more important concept, that is status codes. Okay, so for example, there are different status codes in API. For example, get, post, put, update, delete. And also there is one that is patch. Okay, so these are the request method in API. Okay, and there are several number, but these are the most important one. So you have to have proper knowledge of these requests. So before starting this, I am gonna explain you about the request and response. Okay, so whenever you use one application, for example, this is a application that is like Rapido. So a lot of you must have used in Bangalore, right? Rapido. So once you open the application, there you log in. So suppose this is the application, there you log in. Okay, so sign up, right? You do sign up. So this is sign up. So this request you are making, so whatever you are doing in application, right, logging in, signing up, liking Facebook post, sharing post, WhatsApp status, Instagram post, everything is a request. In the computer science terminology, everything is a request you are sending to the server. Okay, So there is a server sitting over somewhere, right? Even I also don't know where it is there. So there is a server, okay? So request response. So this is the mechanism, okay? So there is a server, so that is called, so there is a this is called server over here. So this has some, this is the database, okay? So this is Instagram server. Just for example, this is Instagram server, okay? So here all your data is stored. Whatever you post in Instagram or share something or like something, everything is stored in Instagram server. So okay, so this is the request and response that I'm talking about. So now let's talk about the request, okay? Request. So there is get request. Okay, so what does get request do? So get request is simple. It is like you are opening the Instagram page, right? That is a get request. So what does this means? This means that you are trying to access to your account or Instagram. You are telling that give me the my account. Okay, you are, for example, you are asking your friend that, hey, give me your pen, give me your water bottle, give me your notes, like that you are requesting. So this is called get request, okay? Just get it. You can understand from this term itself. Now there is another function, that is post, okay? Post, put and patch. Let me just talk about these three terminologies. So this is a bit confusing topic, okay? So you might get interview question like, what is the difference between post and put and patch and post? Can be multiple permutations and combinations, okay? So basically let's talk about this. So subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video so that you can have a notification about it, okay? So like post. First let's talk about post request, okay? Post and put. Now we are going to talk about post, put and patch request. This is a confusing topic and asked in many interviews. Okay, so watch this very carefully, okay? So post, put and patch, okay? So first point is it creates a new resource. And put point is it replaces a resource, okay? And patch is it partially replaces, it updates, the resource. And the second point is it is post request is not idempotent. Put request is idempotent. Patch request is also idempotent. Third point is post request is safe. Put request is not safe. Patch request is safe. Fourth point. Okay, so these are the three important points. Now let's talk about it. So new resource means what? For example, your username password you are sending in one application, that is naukri.com. So this is first time you are signing up. So this is a create post request you are making. Okay. So what is put request? Put request means you are updating your username password. Okay, so your username is changed, your password is changed, you changed your whole data entirely. So this is put request. And what is patch request? Patch request is you are changing your username only. Okay, that's it. That is patch request. It is not idempotent. Idempotent means once you do something, like once you send a request, it won't affect anything. Okay, so post request means it's not idempotent. Meaning what? Meaning is like once you're sending request every time, right? Every time a new resource is created. And what is put request? Put request is idempotent. Meaning what? Meaning you are sending each and every time the data, nothing is happening. The first time only the effect will take place, and the second and third time it won't be affecting. And the third one is patch request is idempotent. So that means it is similar. That is, once you are sending the data 3 to 4 times, no effect, only first time effect. And the third point is post request is safe. Means every time you are sending the request, you are creating a new resource or entry in the database. Okay, so that means your existing data is safe. And put request you are making means it is not safe. So for example, you are a user, you are having a user in the database, okay, with some username, password, and you are trying to create a put request for that user. So that means that user's data you are changing, so that's not safe. Okay, so once you change, the entire data will get changed. Okay, in the put request, it is basically replace the data. Put request means it replaces, okay, existing data, it replaces entirely. So be careful about sending this request. And patch request is it updates the resource. That means it partially updates. So the user is there, right? Suppose the username you are changing, so you are partially updating the resource, but no effect to the user. But also be careful about this resource before sending a patch request, because you are changing it partially. The user might be thinking, what happened to my earlier username password? Why am I not able to access the resource, like that? So be careful about like using put and patch request. I hope that this concept is very clear. Be crystal clear about this concept. Okay. Now let's talk about update and delete request. Okay. So update and delete. So as you can understand by this simple terminology, that is update and delete, right? So update is like you are updating something. So basically there is CRUD operations. Create is like get, read is like create is basically post request, read is get request, update is put patch, and then there is delete request. Okay, so basically these are the terms in the API's request. I hope that everything will make sense to you. So you can check in Google what is delete request. But the important concept was to understand the difference between post, put and patch. Okay, everything else is easy to understand. You can get it in the internet. Just go through the resources. So I hope that you have understood a lot of things in this video. Okay, so it will help you in your interviews. Okay, so read the documents, go through the articles, right? Refer the internet for more clarity, right? So that's all for this video, guys. So if you like this video and watch this video till now, thank you for watching. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, and like this video and share this video so that it reaches out to more people. Okay, thank you. In the next video I am gonna talk about some more important terminologies in APIs that is really very important for interviews and general knowledge purpose. Okay, so stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.